Hello friends, in today's question we have to find out the voltage V of t for t greater than 0. So let's begin. First of all, let's draw the circuit for t is equal to 0 minus. At t is equal to 0 minus, the circuit attains steady state. So the capacitor will act as an open circuit whereas the inductor will act as a short circuit. So 1 ohm resistor over here, this inductor will act as a short, 2 ohm resistor, 6 volt battery, and the capacitor is open circuited and the voltage across it is V of t, and the current flowing through the inductor is I of t. So let's apply KVL over here. So we can write that 6 minus 3 I of t, it should be plus 6 plus 3 I of t is equal to 0. Therefore I of t is equal to minus 2 ampere. This means I of 0 minus is equal to minus 2 ampere. Now let's apply KVL over here. So V of t minus 2I of t minus 6 is equal to 0. Therefore V of t is equal to 6 plus 2 into minus 2, which turns out to be 2 volts. Hence V of 0 minus is equal to 2 volts. Since the current through an inductor cannot change instantaneously, so I of 0 plus will be equal to I of 0 minus, which is minus 2 ampere. And also the voltage across a capacitor cannot change instantaneously, so V of 0 minus will be equal to V of 0 plus, which is equal to 2 volts. Now let's draw the Laplace circuit of the given circuit. So the resistor will remain as 2 ohms, inductor Ls, so L is 1, it will be S, and since it has an initial current, it will act as a voltage source of L I of 0 minus, and since it is minus 2 volts, I am taking the polarity as reverse and thus writing it as 2 volts. Now the capacitor will act as 1 upon Cs, and so it is 4 by S, as well as it is having an initial voltage which is V of 0 minus upon S, that is 2 upon S. Let us assume the node voltage to be V of S. Now by applying KCL, we can write that V of S upon, this should be 1 ohm resistor, so V of S upon 1 plus V of S minus 2 divided by S plus V of S minus 2 upon S divided by 4 upon S is equal to 0. Therefore V of S into 1 plus 1 upon S plus S upon 4 is equal to 2 by S plus 1 by 2. Therefore V of S into 4S plus 4 plus S square divided by 4S is equal to 4 plus S upon 2S. Therefore V of S is equal to 8 plus 2S divided by S plus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 2 into S plus 2 upon S plus 2 the whole square plus 4 upon S plus 2 the whole square, which is equal to 2 upon S plus 2 plus 4 upon S plus 2 the whole square. Now by taking Laplace inverse, we get V of t is equal to 2e raised to minus 2t plus 4 into t into e raised to minus 2t. So hence this is the equation of the voltage across the capacitor for the circuit at t greater than 0.